Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard fruit salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh fruits, such as 2 ripe bananas, 1 crisp apple, and about 1 cup of sweet grapes. For the creamy base, have on hand 2 cups of milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make sure everything is chilled for the best texture and flavor. Now let's create that luscious custard. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about 1/4 cup of milk until smooth. In a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk with 1/3 cup of sugar until it's warm, but not boiling. Gradually pour in the cornstarch mixture, stirring continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens. Remove from heat and let it cool completely before moving on. With our custard cooling, it's time to prepare the star of the show, the fruit. Wash and chop 1 large apple and 2 ripe bananas into uniform bite-sized pieces. For the grapes, you'll want about 1 cup, halved, and any seeds removed. Gently combine all these colorful, fresh fruits in a large mixing bowl. Feel free to add other favorites like juicy mango or sweet berries for extra variety and flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delightful treat. Once your custard is completely cool, pour it generously over the mixed fruits in the bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold the custard and fruit together, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. For the best taste and texture, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Serve it cold, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a fresh mint leaf. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.